साथियों नमस्कार। आज मेरी शॉप पर रमेश जी आए हैं जो कि आगामी 5 मई सन 2024 को वैवाहिक परिचय सम्मेलन करने वाले हैं। उसके विषय में इनसे हम जानकारी ले लेते हैं कि क्या क्या तैयारियां हो रही हैं और क्या क्या तैयारियां हो चुकी हैं। सर, आपका अभिवादन है।
भाई ओम प्रकाश जी, धन्यवाद। लेट मी टेल यू, all arrangements are in place for organizing the Parichय Sammelan on 5th of May 2024. We have already received good number of forms both from the girls and the boys of all the marriageable ages. And we are quite sure, like earlier programs, this time also it will be a big hit. And insofar as the timings are concerned, as is already known to everybody, we intend to start program at sharp at 9:30, and our effort would be to wind it up by around 3:30. In between, that is between 9:30 to 3 and 3:30, there would be arrangements for refreshments, there would be arrangement for tea, coffee and snacks, and there would be lunch also in between, so that people who are coming from far-flung places, they are comfortable. The success or failure of any program does not depend much on the efforts which the organizers put in. It substantially depends on the participation of the people for whom the program is being organized. In reference to our program also, if the participation from the boys and girls of all the marriageable ages is at a high level, the program would be successful. If it is at low level, the program cannot be said to be successful. And let me tell you, at this juncture, we have a huge, robust database of the boys and girls of the marriageable ages. And I am quite sure, and let me challenge you, that there cannot be a middleman who can boast of having better biodata than we have. And I would call upon all the boys and girls of all these communities for whom this program is being organized to fill the form if they have not yet filled up, and come and witness yourself that it will be a moment of pride for them in becoming part of this grand program. My view is that since this program is absolutely free of cost, free of any charges, I do not see any reason why the people would not come and attend this program. Let me tell you, and I call upon the people of all the Jata Chamar, Regar, Kabir Panthi, Julaha, Kori Koli, Berwa and Balai Kas to come and be part of this program. And let me tell you, your coming over to this program will not be a disappointment. And I must tell you, the venue, details of the venue of the program would be Maitre Budh Vihar, Kundan Nagar, which is adjacent to virtually SDM Geeta Colony. That will be the venue, and let me again tell you, it will be absolutely free of any charges. My advice to all of you and the parents of all the girls and boys who are in search of the boys and the girls of marriageable ages who are searching for their life partner to come and become part of this program and I am quite sure their efforts would be successful. Thank you.